after hours of perseverance and determination, I finally got a ride, and he is going all the way to Kazan. Maybe past Kazan, but I need to stop Kazan and stay there. I'm traveling now with Sergey. Sergey, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. I'm impressed. Thank you, Tatarstan. Thank you. I'm impressed here. Guys, today I'm definitely traveling first class. I'm traveling first class in this in Sergey's truck. As you can see, I'm feeling very warm in Tatarstan. Sergey lives in Nizhny Novgorod. You can see we've got the kitchen here. I've got the garlic, which is chestnut. We got the onions as well, so I'm going to make a salad with fish, smoked fish here. So we'll have smoked fish, fresh garlic, some onions which I'm going to chop up in a minute, and we're gonna have some tea. So because I'm allergic to tea and coffee, I brought myself echinacea tea, which I'm running out now. So we've got everything. We've got somewhere to put our rubbish there, as they'll call it in America, trash can, a rubbish bin in British English. And we're just gonna have our lovely meal, and that's the fish that we're going to have. So we are going to have a very nice meal. Yep.
Это не мог отмыть вот это?
Yeah. Oh no, super. It's fine.
Он
That's
чисто
okay.
мыл, чисто же, но не мог отмыть хорошо.
Yeah, it's good, it's
Это
okay.
дома, когда буду, жена, там хорошо моет.
Yes. Oh, no problem.
Это чай не пью.
No,
Такой.
this. Yeah, that is okay.
Пакетики не пью.
No, it's okay.
Вот это, только такой. Вот только завариваю.
No, this one because allergy. So this one okay.
Ага.
I'll put this one.
Конечно.
And
Тростник.
Yeah, this туда and shaker and
О, чай.
yeah, chai. Oh, chai.
Чай.
Yeah.
Чай.
Yeah.
Золотой корень. Вот это золотой корень.
Корень.
Золотой и красный корень.
Корень. Золотой корень. What's золотой корень? Smell? Trying to check what this is. All right, for this.
Это нужно одна ложка, маленькая ложечка. Вот такой вот ложечка одну пить надо.
Yeah.
Одну ложечку надо пить.
Oh,
Один.
туда or туда?
Вот туда и туда.
Oh, туда. I'm going to try samogin. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to try samogin.
Корень, золотой корень.
Yeah, золотой корень, you say.
И красный корень.
Oh, красный корень. Okay.
Вот.
I will try. I will try this.
Маленький дринк.
Yes, маленький drink. Okay.
О, пробочка хватает достаточно будет.
Okay. This is my echinacea.
Так.
Echinacea really helps with building immune system and getting rid of flu and colds. So I'm just topping myself up. Yeah, super. Thank you. My echinacea tea, it's ready. And then I put a little bit of liquid echinacea. Just topping it up a little bit, not too much.
Yes.
Oh,
Вот это мясо.
yeah, me allergy.
Нет.
No, nieto. This. Oh, yeah, you can. You eat. Yes, nieto. Sivenina nieto. Yes, allergy, but it's okay.
Вот говядина.
Yeah, garajina allergy.
Говядина.
Yeah, only riba, okay. So char have.
Убирай, тогда кушай рыбу.
Yes, yeah, yes, riba. But I have chestnut.
Чеснок, лук.
Yeah,
Пожалуйста.
chestnut and look, and that's it.
Это настойка там будет.
Oh yes. I'm going to try a spoon of this. Let's see what it tastes like.
Аккуратно. Здоровье, иммунитет.
Okay. Whoa. Wow.
Русский самогон.
Русский самогон.
Да, берешь золотой корень, красный корень,
Yeah.
туда бросаешь столько,
бросай столько.
туда насоваешь,
Ага.
потом заливаешь.
Я-
3 недели, 3 недели, 3
От
недели.
3 недели, окей.
Да, да. 21 день.
Ага.
21.
21, ну.
Стоит, просто стоит.
Окей.
Потом утром одну ложечку,
Ага.
вечером одну ложечку.
All
Всё.
right. Let's look at that. There it is. I hope you guys can see it because I can't really see what's on the video. Allergy, masla allergy, молоко allergy.
Вот это масло ничего?
This masla okay, but masla from me nieto. That masla super. Oh, okay.
Пойдет.
Oh, present. Okay.
Презент.
Yes. Oh, he's given me some of his fish. I have to take it with me. Oh man, Sergey. Sergey, you should give me your telephone number. Just cutting up my garlic now. I'm gonna try to cube it all up.
Не знаю где.
So what you do if you wanna dice it from the palm of your hand, you hold it like that, and then you just do that. You have to close your hands a little bit. Don't try to slice it, just crush it with a knife. Because if you try to slice it, you'll slice the palm of your hand at the same time. You have to be careful because your thumb is always in the way. Do the best you can with the little that you've got. That's what I always say. Do the best you can with the little that you got. Tin fish really does help if you are traveling a lot. I hope you guys really like my videos. Keep subscribing. Get your brothers, your sisters, your friends, your mother, your father, anybody that you can think of to subscribe my channel. And if you click any of the links, it does help. When I'm very tired, I have to get a hostel because then I can keep my big mouth
Это
shut.
помидоры.
Okay, yep, помидоры, super.
Домашние, дома росли.
Okay, yes. I'm just adding a tomato now to this lovely fish salad. Almost done.
Лук, чеснок, много его.
Yeah. Look, чеснок super. I've got. Yeah.
Это чистый продукт. Чистый.
Okay. Oh, чистый. Okay, чистый
ГМО,
product.
но
One thing with Sergey, he really loves his country and he tries his best to keep all the rubbish in the bin. And then he's gonna put everything in a plastic bag and then find a big bin somewhere and throw it away. He said if he doesn't find it, he normally takes it home and throw it away at home. That's what I've mixed now. I've got garlic, tomatoes and onion in there. And now I'm going to throw my fish in there.
Fish.
Fish туда. Aha. These are like smoked sardines and in oil. Looks very nice. I've got no doubt it tastes very nice as well. It's looking more like this, guys. I hope you can see it. The fish comes from Leningrad, St. Petersburg, where I once had a wonderful girlfriend, but we're not together anymore. Part of life. She was a good girl though. That was Sasha Alexandra. So this is what my fish salad looks like now. My fish salad looks more like that. There you go, that's my meal. We're gonna have this now.
Gas made in China.
Yeah, made in China.
Oh.
Okay, made in China. And skolka, ruble?
50
Oh,
рублей.
50 ruble, 50.
Дают.
I've got so many presents from Sergey, guys. You're not gonna believe.
Вот.
These are Russian cookies, very nice and very tasty.
Russian
I like
пряники.
this.
Russian. Русские пряники.
Yeah, Ruski praniki.
Да.
He gave me ginger, fresh garlic, fresh ginger, onions. He wanted to give me so many onions, but I just can't carry them all, so I only opted for 2. And he wanted to give me loads of garlic, but I only opted for 1. And he gave me a tin of fish, olives,
Оливье.
and that's a tin of fish. And
были в томате.
yeah, this one has got tomato.
Это супер
Yeah,
блюдо.
and he's already given me fish that I ate. So right now my body is loaded with protein and garlic. So now we're gonna be going in a minute. I'm having my echinacea tea.
Ну и русские нам, мы не жалко, нам ничего не жалко. Есть редко кто пожалеет, есть такие редко, но это мало. В основном, пожалуйста, все дадим.
No, русский-
На стол, вот так вот. О, душа, вот такая большая.
Russia has been super.
Большая душа.
Автостоп.
Fish
Автостоп.
stop. Чарли со мной едет. Казань.
Anastasia.
Yes.
Hello, Anastasia. And now I'm on my way to
нет,
Kazan, and
покушал,
Sergey has given me a ride in his truck, so it's like we're traveling
Дальше поедем.
first class. You know, it's like a
О,
hotel.
у меня со мной,
Sit in his
со
truck,
мной
and then
едет один
had a
Чарли.
nice meal, and then he started giving me so much
Он из
food,
Британии.
tins of fish and everything, and
О.
it's amazing. And then he's invited me to his place in Nizhny Novgorod. So, but I have to go to Kazan first. I'm gonna be in
Будем в
Kazan.
Сингапуре сейчас?
I'm gonna stay tonight and tomorrow. Yep, yes, because I was gonna pass it, but he said no, you have to come. Here. And Sergey Dimoy,
Сергей едет домой.
yeah, and Damoy, Kazan.
Нижний Новгород.
Oh, Nizhny Novgorod. Oh, right. Yes. Oh, Kazan, Nizhny Novgorod, and then Moscow. Oh, so now Raboti, Nizhny Novgorod. You go, okay. And откуда?
Троицк, Челябинская область.
Oh, Chelyabinsk. Ah, I was in Chelyabinsk. Yes. Wow, he came from Chelyabinsk and Sim. Oh, Sim Krasivo.
Конечно, красиво.
Yeah, Sim Krasivo. There's this small town called Sim. It's beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. I didn't stop much there, but it's very nice. So he's driving from Chelyabinsk to Nizhny Novgorod. I wish I was going to Nizhny Novgorod, but I'm going to Kazan. And maybe Nizhny Novgorod tomorrow or the day after. He's got 3 children. They're all boys. Wow, and сколько?
Сергей дед. Еще дед.
Oh, dear, okay.
Внучки 4.
Oh, 4. Ah, 4, okay.
5 скоро.
Oh, 5, okay. Oh, 4, 5.
Внучка.
Внучка, okay. Oh, what is big? Okay, that's good. Wow, 4, wow. Wow, he's got 3 children, 3 happy children. And he lives in Nizhny Novgorod. Okay, let me just pull the blinds. Oh, yes. The sun was really blinding me. Because it's amazing. I've been to places which are very, very cold. Now here, it's nice and warm. The sun is out. This is just how Russia is like. If you feeling cold in one place, you just have to look the weather of a different area or different republic and go there. Because I'm going to Kazan. Kazan is like 0 degrees Celsius, whereas Oymyakon is like -30. Omsk is like -15 or -20. Tomsk, it's worse. Tomsk gets colder and the massive fall of snow there. And here, I mean, the road is dry and we're using blinds to continue because the sun is so bright and it feels so warm. So I'm gonna have to take my big fleece off in a minute because I am boiling, really boiling. Bashkiria, finito, and then
Татарстан.
Tatarstan, okay?
Башкирия, finito.
Yeah, Bashkiria, finito.
Татарстан.
Now we are entering Tatarstan. That's Tatarstan right there. Oh, Russia and Tatarstan, okay. Oh, yes, that's Tatarstan. Tatarstan. I am in Tatarstan now.
Дороги.
Aha.
Дороги.
Yeah, oh, Republic of Tatarstan.
Дороги, alright.
Yeah. The Republic of Bashkortostan finito.
Finito.
Дорога, super. Whoa.
Супер, good.
Oh, Tatarstan, nice road. I haven't seen a nice road in like 32 or 34 days. So this is the first time I'm seeing a proper nice road. Thank you, Republic of Tatarstan administration. You have done a wonderful, wonderful job. Wow, finally there's a Republic administration that really cares about the road. You can see here they've really spent some money to make this road look like this. Because to be honest with you guys, I'm gonna repeat myself, I have not seen a road this nice for a very long time in Russia. Let me just say left and right, we have a pshenica and kukuruza, which is wheat and corn farm. There's plenty of them here, over there and over there.